This is my drawing of a human skull, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin in the center of the page with the inside edge of the brow. We start on the left side. Let's bend this in and then up. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Just leaving a small gap in between. Now in the center, we're just going to add another fold, coming down and then up. Let's work our way across the top of the eyelid, starting back on the left, curve this up, then this across, and then down. Now let's tuck the side of the eye underneath, so we're going to step in, round this out, and then pull that in towards the bottom. And we're going to add a fold, stepping out, curve this across, and just bend that up towards the inside, and we'll do the exact same thing on the right. I'm going to add another fold along the inside of the eye, starting from the top, coming down, and then out along the bottom. And then we'll add the nose in the center, leaving a small gap in the middle, start on the left, bend this in and then down. Same thing on the right. Now I want to round up the top, come down and then out towards the side. Let's round out the bottom, and then again adding that bone in the center, pulling that up in the middle. And we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of each eye. Now we're going to move out and draw on the cheekbones, starting on the left from the eye, curves around and out, bend this down toward the bottom. Let's round out the bottom, pull this up towards the inside, and I want to bend this in and then down, just beside the nose. Let's add a fold along the side of the nose, just going to trace this curve coming down and around. And then in the center of the brow, draw a short line coming down the middle. Now just underneath the cheeks, we're going to add a couple folds, starting on the left, bend this in and then down. Step out again, draw the edge of the teeth, coming around and then out. Let's draw the edge of the teeth. Starting back on the left, we're going to draw these curves, just working our way across towards the right. And we'll just add the same number of curves going out towards the side. From each of these points, we're going to draw a straight line coming down. And then the last one, I'm just going to round this out. And we'll close off the bottom of the teeth with a curve. Let's add in the bottom row of teeth. Starting in the center, we're going to start with the left side. We're going to come down and up towards this line. And we just want to line these up. Just working our way out towards the side. And then do the same thing on the right. Let's add a seam. Start from the outside of the tooth, bend this around, and then in. Now we're going to add that opening along the side of the jaw. Let's start underneath the cheek, bend this in and then down, and then just curve that back in. Let's fill these two areas in black. I'm going to add another seam along the outside. Starting up here, we're going to come down and then bend that in. Let's go to the side. Bend the bone coming in and then back out towards the jaw. Round up the jaw and then bend that in. Now I'm going to work our way down towards the chin. So I'm just going to bend this in and then down towards the bottom, towards the same height. Then we're going to add two curves. One coming down and up from the left in towards the middle. Come down and up towards the right side. Let's go back up to the top and enhance the brow. We're going to leave a gap. We're going to go up above the eye, come in, and then down. Now in between that gap along the outside, we're going to add a bone, going out and then back in. Let's draw the top of the skull. Starting back on the left, We go up, come all the way around toward the middle, come across, and then in on the right side. Now I switched to my thin black marker and add some micro details across the face. Let's start in between the teeth. I'm just going to add a little fold going up. And then from the bottom, coming down. Now we're just going to add some more wrinkles around the eyes. And I'll finish off with some detailed cracks around the face and sign art artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the human skull. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.